Taking off to another adventure, somewhere far away, much warmer, as it is in my place. Dubai, a city of speed, of concrete and glass, a place where everything moves fast, where time is money, and where nature, well, does it even exist here? And then I find this, a real orchid, a tiny, delicate reminder that nature always finds a way. I went on a search, and nearby my place I found a small park, a place where runners move past, where plants grow in the middle of this high-speed world. It's not much, but it's something. I wander deeper and suddenly there's silence. No crowds, no noise. Maybe people here are just too busy to stop? Maybe they don't realize how important it is to pause, to breathe. I sit down, pull out my sketchbook and begin. Just a simple study of a fallen leaf, and yet as I draw, my mind fully stops. It goes quiet. Creating art is magical. It makes us calmer inside, even when noises are happening outside. You don't need much to create outside. Sketchbook, pencil, and eraser. Little fallen leaf is an amazing subject to practice tonal values. No water is required. I focus on the leaf, on the tiny details, on the simple act of observing. As the day starts to fade away, I move to a more quiet and more comfortable place nearby. Looking back, I feel grateful. Grateful that I took the time to search for this little corner of peace. That is something simple, something just for me. Even in a city that never slows down, you can still find some moments of stillness. You just have to look for them.